Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and create. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, and it's natural to wonder, will AI take our jobs? The answer might surprise you. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI just might. I'm Zohaib, and in this video, we'll explore why embracing AI could be the key to your future success. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception. From defeating world champions in chess to composing music and writing stories, AI's capabilities are expanding rapidly. You might not realize it, but AI is already a part of your daily life. It's in your smartphone's voice assistant, in the recommendations you get on streaming platforms, and even in the spam filters of your email. This rapid advancement has led to fears about job security. Will robots take over our workplaces? Will AI make human skills obsolete? These concerns are understandable, but they miss a crucial point about the nature of AI. The key to understanding AI's role in our future is to see it as a powerful tool, not a replacement for human intelligence. Think of AI as a superpowered assistant, amplifying our capabilities rather than rendering them obsolete. Let's look at some examples. In healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical images with incredible speed and accuracy, detecting patterns that might escape even experienced radiologists. But it's the doctor who interprets these results in the context of the patient's overall health, history, and unique circumstances. In finance, AI-powered algorithms can process vast amounts of market data and execute trades in milliseconds. But it's financial experts who design the strategies, set the parameters, and make critical decisions based on complex economic factors. Even in creative fields, AI is making its mark. Artists and designers are using AI-enhanced tools to generate ideas, create variations, and automate repetitive tasks. But it's still the human artist who provides the vision, selects the best outputs, and imbues the work with meaning and emotion. In each of these cases, AI isn't replacing humans, it's empowering them to work more efficiently and effectively. The real power lies in the combination of human intelligence and artificial intelligence. This synergy allows us to tackle problems that neither humans nor AI could solve alone. Humans bring creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and the ability to navigate complex, ambiguous situations. We can think outside the box, make intuitive leaps, and understand context in ways that AI currently cannot. AI, on the other hand, excels at processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and performing repetitive tasks with unwavering consistency. It can work 24/7 without getting tired or distracted. When we combine these strengths, we create a powerhouse of productivity and innovation. The person who knows how to leverage AI tools effectively will have a significant advantage over those who don't. So, how can you prepare for this AI-enhanced future? The key is to focus on developing skills that complement AI, rather than compete with it. First, cultivate your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These uniquely human abilities will always be in demand. Second, develop your emotional intelligence and communication skills. As AI takes over more routine tasks, human interaction and collaboration will become even more valuable. Third, strive for AI literacy. You don't need to become a programmer, but understanding the basics of how AI works and its capabilities will help you identify opportunities to use it effectively in your work. Finally, embrace lifelong learning. The pace of technological change means we all need to be adaptable and open to acquiring new skills throughout our careers. Remember, the future belongs not to AI alone, but to those who learn to work alongside it. By embracing AI as a powerful tool, you can enhance your own capabilities and stay ahead in an ever-evolving job market. The choice is yours. Will you be replaced by AI, or will you be the one using AI to replace others?